After a careful evaluation, choose the most suitable type of straightening gel, number 3 or number 4. Proceed with the shampoo and soon after dry hair to remove excess water. Make hair sections. Apply the straightening gel. Distribute the gel with a flat brush, combing each strand with a wide-toothed comb. Continue combing while keeping the hair in tension during the whole processing time. Leave the product act from 5 to 20 minutes, according to hair structure. Rinse with warm water. Never use cold or hot water. Dry hair to remove excess water. Apply the neutralizing cream number 5 on whole hair with a brush, combing and keeping the hair in tension for the whole process. Leave on up to a maximum equivalent to the same processing time used for the straightening gel. Rinse thoroughly and proceed to drying.